Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm Imre.
Yeah. Alright, today I am a tourist guide. I'm gonna to asking you over a question about first, what do you think about Aceh nowadays?
I think Aceh is very nice so far. Very friendly people.
Very green.
Very
Very
green,
green,
yeah.
yeah.
And then, what do you think about local food?
We
Like
had-
cake and
yeah,
then coffee and
we
tea.
had, we had coffee and various cakes, pastries.
Oh.
I think they were very nice. Very different flavors.
Oh yeah,
Very
I got
nice.
it. Very
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Yeah.
Very delicious.
Delicious. So
Very nice,
you
yeah.
never find that cake in your country, right?
No.
Oh
No.
yeah. So what do you think about Achinese people?
I think they're very friendly so far.
Yeah, so far very friendly.
Yes.
So when people from Europe or United States or United Kingdom, they don't have afraid anymore, right? Afraid of anymore.
No,
Because
I don't think so.
yeah, because no very peace with nation, no Aceh, no the peace after tsunami.
Yeah.
And then the tsunami disaster, everyone will fine, what, like usual. And then the construction anything of building and school, horse, anything, this is very fine, right?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you for your, nation and then experience and then you comment for Aceh. I hope maybe next time or next year you could invite your friend or your neighbor or your Netherlands from Europe will come to Aceh next time. Alright? That's all for now. Thank you. Thank you, El.
Bye.